Even in today's fast-changing technical landscape, faxing is still a business-critical requirement. Regulated industries like healthcare, legal, government, and manufacturing rely on traditional fax machines over email and message platforms because fax communications are more secure. Introducing GFI FaxMaker, a simple and secure faxing solution that replaces paper faxing with an efficient digital process. Digital faxing comes with many benefits. You can eliminate the need to stand over fax machines while waiting on faxes to be sent. Sensitive information is not left in the open. You can validate the numbers or recipients before sending. You have a log of all sent and received faxes. And you can route faxes to the correct people based on numbers or content. All of these translate into an easier, more secure faxing process that saves your employees valuable work hours and integrates with your other systems such as ERP or CRM platforms. FaxMaker works with popular email systems like Office 365, G Suite, Microsoft Exchange, and our own Curio Connect. That means you can send and receive faxes with Outlook, Gmail, or any popular email client, regardless of the form factor. Since FaxMaker is a software product, it integrates with your secure network infrastructure, which helps your remote workers who may need fax service on the road or at home. Advanced optical character recognition lets FaxMaker read fax images and convert them back to text for easy searching and retrieval, right from your email. You can also get an intuitive web-based interface to help users send faxes. The same interface gives IT administrators access to powerful monitoring and reporting capabilities that they can use to ensure compliance with regulations. Using your existing fax infrastructure is another benefit. FaxMaker can be installed on a physical on-premise server that is connected to a standard fax modem or fax card, or it can be deployed on a virtual server that communicates with a fax gateway using fax over IP technology. Another option is hybrid faxing, which requires no existing fax or phone hardware setup. Instead, FaxMaker uses a cloud faxing platform to securely send and receive fax messages. With hybrid faxing, you can be up and running in a matter of minutes. Centralized management is important for IT administrators, and the administration console gives them a wide array of configuration options for full control. You can define fax routing rules, customize cover pages, and configure automatic document conversions, just to give a few examples. With Active Directory integration, it's easy for IT administrators to set up and manage users with their existing account management system. Users will enjoy being able to use FaxMaker without needing to remember another username and password. Complying with regulatory record-keeping requirements is easy with FaxMaker too. You can use GFI Archiver or a SQL database to track all the faxes your organization sends and receives. FaxMaker even includes a powerful application programming interface, which makes it easy to add fax capabilities directly into third-party software tools, like document management systems or industry-specific applications. You may assume that a solution like this is expensive. Believe it or not, it's just the opposite. By choosing the right deployment method for your organization, you can save money compared to the time, material, and telephony costs of traditional fax machines. Are you tired of the countless challenges posed by managing paper and ink fax machines? Turn to GFI FaxMaker and start enjoying the benefits of simple and secure digital faxing today.